Here is a demonstration on how to post newly created Salesforce records to Microsoft Teams when you have a linked channel. In this example, under the account Centro LLC, I manually linked the channel account Centro LLC. You can see here I have my linked channel displaying in the live link component. What I will do here and what I've configured is that anytime I create a new asset that's associated with that account and that lookup field is populated, it will post to that channel that is linked. So if I go ahead and hit save, we can go ahead and see back in the live link that a new post will be made to that channel right here. And we can also view that in Microsoft Teams. So my account Centro LLC, here's that new sample asset. To do that, what you need to do is make sure that your account channel or whatever link channel you have is populated here. You will also see that displayed in the Centro object linked conversation. So here's that channel, here's my record ID associated to that account, and then additionally in here is a lot of Teams information that we're going to use to populate created and related records to that channel. Here's the Centro flow element and Salesforce flow that does that work. So this is a record triggered flow based on the creation of that asset. The first flow element that we use is a get records, and we're going to be getting records from that linked conversation object I just showed you. In the field, we're going to populate the Centro linked record field. So that's that field that I showed you with the 001 prefix of the account ID. Then we're going to tie that to the account ID that's linked to the asset. So that's going to be the account ID. Here. Then in the bottom half of this flow element, I'm going to set three very important variables. I'm setting them in the field and assigned variables in separate variables. They are the Centro channel ID, the Centro message timestamp, and the Centro workspace team ID. I'm setting them to the variables as they display here. Those are all going to be used to create this formula that will allow us to send the asset record block to that particular channel. And this is built so it can be dynamic, so once you have many linked channels and you create many assets, they can all post to the correct location. In the Centro flow element called Centro send notification message, I take that formula and I put it in to the variable option in the flow element. I can then type in a custom message to display here, and I can also then attach the record so I have the record block post. I can also link that record block to the channel for further automation. Here's an example on how you can post any object to a particular channel that's linked using Centro for Microsoft Teams. Please reach out with any questions.